Hi everyone, my name is Sean Wayne, and today I'm going to be talking about the AEG Turbine Factory for our building analysis project, which is a project that is very first for me. It was very enjoyable, although very challenging, so it was a good experience. But to jump right into the building itself and the factory, it was founded by Emil Rathnew, who hired architect Peter Behrens for the design of the structure itself. He designed it in 1908 and it was constructed right around 1909 to 1910 with the help of his structural engineer, Charles Bernhard. It is located in northwest Berlin, Germany, on the southern edge of the factory complex district of Moabit. The building was a reflection of the industrialized area of Berlin and had to provide a strong image that had to hold its own in a built-up industrial park. It was developed to function as a production site which housed heavy machinery in the manufacturing of steam turbines and generators. Its form was symbolic of a powerful structure. Behrens' architectural design was an icon and symbolic of the turbines and generators being made inside the warehouse. It was an eye-catching building with its bold architecture. Behrens ensured that it was visually appealing and convenient for the employees working there, with the light and open air from the windows allowing them to produce high-quality work. The AEG building is constructed of a steel beam skeleton, Egyptian, Greek style concrete corners, and glass panels. This model was built at a 1 to 10 foot scale using foam core board, paper for the windows, I used the bone scorer to create the same rib appeal on the pillars that Bernhard used. The AEG Turbine Factory is based off a large rectangular design spanning 25.6 meters wide to 130 meters long, which is right around 84 feet wide and about 426 feet long. It was constructed using a series of 3-hinge steel framed arches and intertwined large glass windows, which is replicated by the paper that you see on my model there. It's a primarily skeletal structure with concrete cast in place end walls, which provide no actual support and are actually hollow if you believe it or not. The concrete piers are angled slightly tilted away from the base inward, with rounded corners and horizontal grooves. The external physique is barn-like in contour. The architect Behrens wanted the contour against the sky to represent the power of the building itself. The shape of the roof has no actual or functional purpose. The front window provides the main support for the front of the building and is the main source of light for its workers in the interior. Large glass windows are also slightly tilted away from the base inward. Each piece of glass is placed close together so that it gives the appearance and look of weaving with the metal beams. The architect Behrens designed it with a tectonic system, a small metal framework welded or bolted together. At the top edge of the building, Behrens added a very heavy steel beam that goes the entire length, front to back of the building. That's purpose is to cast a heavy, powerful shadow against the building itself. In regards to Peter Behrens and his dedication to work, he set the framework for other industrial designs when designing the AEG Turbine Factory. The building called upon Greek and Egyptian temple design to symbolize the emerging power of electricity itself. Behrens' work drew from classical architecture and shows a glimpse into modern-day construction. The building's design was historically significant, and so that it is still in use a century later for the same purpose of creating those steam turbine generators. The factory was actually Behrens' first industrial building, which broke the boundaries for immediate designs from the industrial construction to follow. His futuristic design served as an inspiration for modern architecture.